How to get Amazon affiliate link on mobile. For this, we are going to open up our Safari browser and Google search for Amazon.com. We want to open up the first link. So once we are taken to the Amazon website, we want to sign in with our account from the right hand side. And here I'm just going to sign in real quick. Okay, so I have signed into my Amazon account, and basically what we need to do now is click on the two A letters next to the link, so this option right here, and we want to request a desktop website. So it's gonna look like this. Now here we want to basically find a product that we want to promote, so I'm going to search for camera. And then I'm going to do this first one. If we want to generate an affiliate link for this product, then we want to go all the way to the top here. And you will see this get link text. So we want to click on get link text. And here is where you generate the affiliate link. So you need to have an Amazon Associates account, but basically this is your affiliate link. We can highlight it all and copy, and now we can promote this product wherever we want. So that's how you get an Amazon affiliate link on mobile. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.